Good morning, everyone. We will see question number 9. Write out these sentences putting in the punctuation and capital letters. What you all have to do here is to punctuate and put a small letter into capital wherever it is required. I think most of you know how to do it. I should be always capital wherever it is used as pronoun. First letter of any sentence is always capital. At the end of sentence we always give full stop. Like this you all have to do. Now let's see question number 10. Read aloud. You all can see a box in which a leaf, leaves, a loaf, loaves. There are many words with similar sounds. We can see here ferry, very, ferry, save, save, safe, wife, wives, wife. So all of you have to read aloud all these words and practice at your home. If you want, you can use these words in your sentences as well. Here you can see in question number C, look at the leaf, look at the leaves. Did they catch the thief? Did they catch the thieves? Thief, thieves, leaf, leaves. So like this you all can practice. Now let's see question number 11, that is revision. Make sentences like the one below. If we see the first example, he is not strong. He cannot lift the desk. Two sentences are given here. What you all have to do? You all have to join these two sentences and make it one. The way it is done in the example. You will see he is not strong enough to lift the desk. You all can see there is no any changes required in first sentence, and here it has used enough to. Before lift, what it has used? Enough to. He is not strong enough to lift the desk. We have ignored he cannot. Like this you all have to practice. Let's see question number B. The apple is not sweet. It cannot be put in fruit salad. So what will be the answer? The apple is not sweet enough to be put in fruit salad. Again I am repeating the answer. The apple is not sweet enough to be put in fruit salad. If we see question number E, the cat is not small. It cannot hide under the desk. So what will be the answer here? The cat is not small enough to hide under the desk. If we see one more, let's see question number H. The gate is not high. It cannot keep out dogs. So what will be the answer? The gate is not high enough to keep out dogs. Again I am repeating the answer. The gate is not high enough to keep out dogs. So like this you all have to practice.